Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing how to make tamarind rice or pulihora. This is instant tamarind rice. For this, first dry roast sesame seeds or til seeds. You can see I am dry roasting the sesame seeds and they are spluttering. Now switch off the flame and let them cool down. Now heat oil in the pan. Add mustard seeds and let them splutter. Cumin seeds, chana dal, urad dal, red chilies. You can also add green chilies, peanuts, curry leaves, and let them fry for 2 minutes. Now add turmeric powder, hing. It is optional, you can add, otherwise no need. Now roast them till all the dals changes the color. Now you can see the dals have changed the color. Now add tamarind water. I have extracted the tamarind juice and mixed the water. Now add salt, jaggery, red chilli powder, and boil for 10 minutes. Mix occasionally. Cook till the tamarind juice becomes thick. Now you can see that the tamarind juice became thick and also cooked. To this, now add roasted sesame seeds. You can also crush them and cook for 2 minutes. Now the tamarind juice is ready. You can also store this juice for a month. Now add boiled rice, cooked rice, and mix well and adjust the salt. You can see I am mixing the rice with the tamarind juice. Mix well. The red chilies will be very tasty because they are boiled in the tamarind juice. Now finally sprinkle sesame seeds and the tamarind rice is ready. Pulihora is ready. This is temple styled pulihora. You can serve it as prasadam. Do try it and let me know your comments. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.